Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Honda Civic in Car Parking Multiplayer 2. First, head into your garage and choose your Honda Civic. It is important to ensure your car's basic maintenance, such as oil and tire health, is at 100%. A high-performance clutch is a great initial upgrade for better power transfer. Then, select an engine that aligns with your performance goals, aiming for around 800 to 1,000 horsepower. Next, let's boost your Civic's power. Install a turbocharger or supercharger to achieve substantial horsepower increases, often reaching over 1,000 horsepower. Upgrade essential engine parts like pistons, the air system, and the fuel system for maximum output. Carefully adjust your air-to-fuel ratio. For cars over 400 horsepower, a setting of 1 to 2 points is ideal. Finally, fine-tune your gearbox ratios to match your driving style, whether for quick acceleration or high top speeds. Now let's refine your Civic's handling. Adjust the suspension stiffness. A softer setup offers more grip on uneven roads, while stiffer settings enhance overall handling. Lowering the ride height significantly improves stability and reduces body roll, making cornering sharper. Stiffen your anti-roll bars to prevent excessive body lean during aggressive turns. For tires, use semi-slicks for track racing, and maintain a pressure between 5 and 65 for ideal grip and stability. Finally, personalize your Civic's appearance and fine-tune its performance. Explore various body kits, spoilers, and dynamic vinyl decals to make your car stand out. Choose rim designs and tire sizes that complement your style and enhance performance. After customization, it is crucial to test drive your Civic on different tracks. Pay attention to how it handles and make small, iterative adjustments to the suspension or engine settings until you achieve your desired driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.